So previously we have added this delete button after every username to delete that user from the list. So here we have the list of user and the delete button, and we can click on the delete button and we can delete that specific user from this list. So we're just deleting users one by one. Now let's see how we can delete all the users by just click of one button. So for that we need to create one button. So here at the top we're gonna add one button, and on click of this button it will delete all the user. So here we have this delete all user button. We have to add one click event to delete all these users. So here one click of this button we are going to dispatch delete all user. So now we have to define this. So here in the user slice, so we have to create another reducer delete all user which takes the state. So deleting all user is pretty simple. So here we're just gonna modify the state.users and we're just gonna assign one empty array so that all the users will be removed from this array. Now we have to export this delete all user. So here we're gonna export delete all user. Now in the user list we have to import that delete all user, and after that we can dispatch that action on click of this button. So if we refresh, you can see we have the list of users. So now we can use this button to delete all the individual user, and also we can click on this button and we can remove all the users from this list. So deleting all user is pretty simple and straightforward. So here we just have to simply assign the users to one empty array. So hope you understand the concept. See you in the next one. Take care.